where we're at. I'm making pancakes. I'm making eggs. I'm definitely making a coffee. And maybe some avocado toast. Or maybe just avocado with my eggs. If you don't follow me over on TikTok, please do. I post real life drama over there. He's by the gate. He's about to fuss. So I gotta hurry up with this. Yeah, because he can only play by himself for so long. So let's get to it. You can tell I'm tired. And yes, there's still dishes in the sink from yesterday. This is the pancakes that we're using. This stuff is, when I find it, I have to stock up. This is the second bag. I'm almost out, so I need to order some more. And I'm almost out of butter. Everyone asks me why I don't use a dishwasher, and this is exactly why, because I forgot I put dishes in the dishwasher. And now the things that I need are dirty in the dishwasher because I didn't have enough to run it yesterday. So I'm gonna put these things that are in the dishes in the dishwasher and run the dishwasher today when we leave. How many times did I say dishwasher? Gotta make my coffee. If you haven't been following me for any amount of time, I used to make cups. When COVID hit, this is what I did to make money. I did little tumbler cups, little Starbucks cups. So I'm gonna use one that's really old that I made, since the one that I like is in the dishwasher. Here goes. First water, then the coffee. I love this brand. I usually get the decaf, but they didn't have the decaf there, so I use a little scooper. This is way more than the recommended amount. I don't care. That's what I do. 1.5 of those. Why would you do that? Mix it up, add some ice, add the oat milk. I blend up my creamer in here with some cinnamon and vanilla, and that's it. I'm gonna go cook. And now we have my perfect latte from home and our breakfast. I'm still gonna add avocado for myself. He doesn't like avocado, but I'm gonna add it for me because it's a good fat. I like it. Of course, he's not gonna eat all this, so I'll probably take some with us to where we're going today, which I'll bring you guys along. Let's go. All he wants to do is put it on his finger. You got it? Put it on your finger. Show me. This. Here. If he can't pick it up with his finger, he gets mad. You know, you could just pick it up regular and eat it. You don't have to have it on your finger. He got it on his finger. You trying to pick up a blueberry now, or? It's on your finger. What are you gonna do with it? When he doesn't want to eat his breakfast or play or be on, he wants to be on me, this is what we do. We go for a walk. Because I don't want to be touched right now. And we just walk around. Take the dog out. Here we go. Denise, go. His sissy taught him. Go. Go. Y'all, I missed the bus. now we've been waiting for the next bus. He's asleep. I don't even know if you can hear me. Gotta use this fan. It's so freaking hot out here. Yeah. Hot. This feels good though. Put it down my shirt. There we go. Hot. Come on. Oh, sorry, go ahead. No, you're good. Go ahead. Come on.
Smile and say,
You say hi. Go say hi. You shake hands, say hi. Alright, I'm gonna close the vlog out for now. He's in the bathtub playing with his boyhood. Discovering, you know. This boy mom stuff is very interesting. Anyways, today was a better day. We got outside. We got lots of rest. We got lots of sun. After he takes his bath, we're gonna go eat some dinner and then go to bed. Yeah.